Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion 360 CNC programming tutorial video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for home Mac and wiki CNC machines using Fusion 360. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can control your retraction distance when post processing the program. Okay. So sometimes you type your own retraction distance here in Fusion 360, and when you run the program, you see the machine having a high distance. Let's say maybe 100, 120, 150 millimeters, and that is because that's the distance that you have in your tool data, which is WZ underscore DBE. Um, if you go to tool collision length and you have that distance, the same distance as tool length, that means let's say you have a tool collision of 120 millimeters. That's going to be the retraction distance, okay, or retraction height. All right, but you can overwrite that by changing the setting here in Fusion 360. So I'm going to show you which one it is, okay? So you have two different setups, okay? It's actually the same operation, it's the same program. It's just one has I'm going to show you this one first, okay? So you have a boot wide retraction. That means whatever distance I have under height, let's say 1 millimeter, um, the machine is going to overwrite this. It's going to use what you have in your tool data, okay? WZ underscore DBE. So whatever tool collision length you have, it's going to overwrite this, okay? So if I go to the linking tab, this is the one that I be using. Maybe most of you guys have been using this as well. High feed rate mode, and the mode happens to be preserve rapid movement. So this is what I've been using for a long time. Okay, so let me post process this program. Okay, so right click post process. So I got woodbop underscore retraction. Okay, let me post this, and let's check the other setup. I got fusion retraction. So right click edit. Oops, sorry, that's a setup. So I gotta select 2D pocket, right click edit. And I'm gonna go to heights. I got 1 millimeter retraction height, 1 millimeter. Actually clearance height and 1 millimeter retract height. So let me go to linking tab, and this is what you have to use. This mode right here, the last one. Always use high feed. Okay, you can change the feed here. It doesn't have to be the same as the one you have in the tool tab. You can change that. You can slow it down if you want. You can speed it up. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so for you to control your retraction distance, you're gonna have to select always use high feed. Okay, let me click OK. And let me post process this program, and I'm gonna name this Fusion caps on now, Fusion 360 retraction post, and we're gonna compare both programs in Wootbar 5.0. Okay, you're gonna see a difference. So let's go to Wootbar 5.0, file open. Let's do Wootbar retraction. Okay, so I got 4 macros. Okay, let's open the other program, Fusion 360 retraction. See, it's different. And you're gonna have 1 macro. See that? Now the Wootwa displays the rapid movement. Okay, so it's gonna start right here, retract, and go to the next one. So it Fusion shows you a few. I mean, Wootwa, it's gonna show you the rapid movement. Okay, of the machine. Okay. If I go to front view, so XZ. This is the front view right here. You see the retraction distance. It's about 2 millimeters. Okay, it's actually 2 millimeters. That's what I have in Fusion 360. See that retraction distance? Okay. There's a distance right here. If I show you the other program, whoop, retraction, I'm not going to save it. So you don't see any rapid movement. Okay. I'm going to put it in front of you, and you don't see a retraction here. Okay. See that? Put it on top of you. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you this video. Um, if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. All right, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. God bless you all. Peace.